Well, today we're gonna do fried chicken, and we're gonna cut it up now. Chicken leg. I peel off the skin because I don't like skin. So now we're gonna add seasoning. Some salt, make sure your chicken is clean, some onion, a little basil, and you can put any kind of seasoning you want, but I use natural seasoning, so that's it for me. And then that's it. Okay, the next step now, you won't have a fried chicken unless you have flour. So with my flour, you can put anything in here, you can put all-purpose, chicken seasoning, all sorts of different things. But I don't use those things. Personally, I think they're cancerous. So all in this is salt, and I'll give you a little tip, baking powder, just about half a tablespoon of baking powder in this, and then we're going to put the chicken in. This step, we're going to put the chicken in the bag. This is a wing. Turn your wing like that. Make sure the seasoning are off. You can use a fork to scrape off the seasoning. That's that. Okay, it should look like this, almost like it's gonna burn. Alright? Notice how I just put them in? We're going to let it stay on one side. Don't turn it. Let it stay on one side for about 5 minutes or 5 to 6, 7 minutes. When you see start browning around the edge, like here, that's how we're going to flip it. And remember, the stove should be at high, very, very high. So it's been about 6 minutes, and you see I haven't turned it, and so it's getting brown on the side. I'm about to turn it now. See? That's it. Fried chicken continues. It's been about 8 minutes. So now after 9 minutes, you can turn on the stove. If you flip it on the other side and it's fried for about 3 minutes, turn the stove down to about high. Not extra high, but high. And then you're just going to let it soak for about 5 minutes. So now after about 10 minutes, I'm going to flip it on the other side where we started from originally. On high. If you can listen, the chicken actually sound like the sound of it frying get less. That's when you know it's almost ready. So this chicken been here for about 20 minutes. So look at it, it's ready. To test it to see if it's ready, all you have to do is just cut it. See? Ready. I'm gonna let it soak for a little while. See, it should look like this. See, rich. This is chicken. This is fried chicken. Fried chicken. That's it. Ras Miguel.